So this week when we're rolling, just say you're on. Yeah, just like that. You don't have to say we're on right now, just say we're on. Oh, we're on. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Adam Mensch. Welcome to another edition of Regrowth with Adam Mensch. Now, following on from another out-of-this-world episode of Grow with Bennies, it's time to reflect, review, recap and rejoice in the marvellous illumination provided by the... Anyway, let's roll the opening intro and let's get after it. Folks, I'm being told we don't have an opening intro. Maybe next week. Do we have a song? No song. Maybe next week. What do we have? Oh, that's something. Well, ladies and gentlemen, certainly the highlight for me of this episode was the introduction of the Grow with Bennies microgreens planter. Personally, if you're doing an episode talking about love shacks and orgies, I probably wouldn't mention the word micro. But then Benny is a grower, so there's that. Boom, boom. Anyhow, I'm joined now by one of the greatest comedians in this or any other galaxy. The alien life form himself, Alf. Alf, would you care to share with us any of your thoughts from this week's episode? Basil. Basil, are you okay? Basil. Basil needs us, folks. That's all for this week. I'm Adam Mensch. We'll see you next week on Regrowth with Adam Mensch. Somebody get this guy some alfalfa.